This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for March 19th, 2018. Corn market today down 6 to 8. Soybeans down 18 to 27. 27 in the lead month, 18 in the new crop. Wheat market, Chicago wheat down 17. Minneapolis down 15 in the old crop front months, down 4 in the new crop. Kansas City wheat down 25 to 29, again led by the front months or the old crop. When you really look to these markets today, it was a washout type day. We got rain across Kansas. If you pulled up the radars this morning or looked at our updates, you would have saw a pretty big blob of moisture occurring across almost the entire state of Kansas. Over the weekend, we got rains in South Dakota, Nebraska, so really improving the outlook at least for the western corn belt with this precipitation. Now it's a matter of just how the wheat crops come out of it, and really as it spells out in the spring, whether we can keep these moisture flows going. We also had rains in eastern Argentina, but not full coverage. There's a lot of areas that were missed again, but the bean market jumped on the bandwagon and it was a washout nonetheless. Now you got to ask yourself, what's to happen next? 379 July corn looks to be a price count, or at least a support point from our vantage point. That's an area of interest. And 463 off the May Kansas City wheat. We really think those are the two markets to watch. You might ask, well, what about beans? We're looking at an area down around that 990 to 1005 area as a key major support level, but that's still a little ways away. So we'll need to see how beans handle itself here in the days ahead, try to quantify the Argentine problems and work forward. But we are looking for opportunities to find support at these areas and the markets to stabilize in that juncture. Feeder cattle today down 150 to $2. Live cattle down 142.5 to 160 lower. Hog market down $2 to $2.30. So really a day in the cattle and meats and hogs as well, where we see washouts as well. And the problem with the hogs now is we're getting down to areas where we're opening up additional price counts down into that 70, 73, 74 type area for the summer months. And that's a little bit concerning, seeing $3 to $4 potential lower with heavyweight hogs around. Cutouts and cattle have been a little more steady based, at least at this juncture. I'd look for the cattle market to fade a little bit more with seasonals here, potentially up to $2 lower yet. And then I look for pretty good support into that vicinity. But we're watching that closely here as we work ahead. Good demand should be the undertone in cattle to keep this thing chugging along and at least keep it supported from a bend but don't break type attitude. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.